Hey guys, so today I'm going to be driving my RC car Traxxas that I got for Christmas a while ago. It's not fully charged, but it's pretty charged. So I'll be driving it just along the street, right down there, and maybe up in their driveway or something. So yeah. Woo. I wish you guys could actually be here to see how fast it went, because it goes pretty fast. I know Ellie knows, she's been here before. I've driven it. I'm gonna drift. Woo! Oh yeah. You guys gotta get one of these. They're super fun. You can also roll them, like make them go really fast and then like make them roll. Like let's see if I can do it. Whoop! Jeez. I'm not gonna be able to do it because I don't have enough speed. But yeah, you can make them go really fast. Especially when they're fully charged, they go like really fast. But I'm gonna come down this street with my full speed. I know you guys can't see this right now, but by the mailboxes, I'll show you. There's full speed. Right now, it's not fully charged. It'd go way faster than this though. But that is still pretty fast, especially for an RC car. Oh, did you guys see that over here? Okay. If you guys did not see that, rewind the video and watch right. I'll show you I'll show you where to watch. Right where my RC car is. Right there. So you see where it is? It's right there. Rewind it and watch right there the whole time, alright? If you didn't see that. I hope you guys saw that. Yeah, it's not too long. So yeah, it's like really fun and fast. But I mean, like, when they're fully charged, they're a lot more fun. And so I'll be right back with you guys when it's fully charged. And yeah, I'll be back in 3, 2. So before I come back with it fully charged, I have to show you guys this. I've been running it on the street for a while now, and just look at, oh, just wait. Yeah, just look at all of that stuff. It is so gross. It's just like sand, gravel, dirt, grass. So I'll be back once I'm done. And for you guys, it'll be 3, 2, 1. And we're back. So battery is fully charged. So now I'm going to show you how fast it goes when the battery's full charged. Right off the bat, when I put it in the grass, it felt a lot better. Oh dang. I wish you guys could see this right now. Jeez. Alright, I'll come full speed. Ready? Right by the mailbox. Watch it. Ready? Woo! I'll be right back. Sorry guys, my neighbor just wanted me to go over to their house to try something from the RC car. But I can tell right away, right off the bat, that it goes a lot faster. Am I right? If anybody knows why this happens, my right suspension just keeps compressing to make it look lopsided. So I have to keep yanking it out. Because if you look at this, I don't know if you guys can see that. If you look at this side, this tire, it compresses and it stays in, and then I always have to pop it out to keep it out. If you guys know why that happens, please comment down below, because it really annoys me sometimes. But right off the bat, right when it's fully charged, it goes for mercy. Like, that's some pretty good full throttle right there. All right, full throttle, coming right down. Watch by the mailbox road. Look at that. Woo. That is a beast. Dang. That thing goes fast. Woo. I wish you guys could see that. My friends should be coming over in probably about 5-10 minutes maybe, if they finish whatever they're doing. Oofta! Thing almost fell. So if you guys rewind the video, please tell me what that was. I think it was like, kind of looked like, what's it called? Crud. A chipmunk? No. I forgot what it was called, but I knew what it was, but I forgot what it was called. But I know what it is. But if you guys could see that, please tell me. If not, please tell me in the comments below. But yeah. Oh, I wish you guys could see that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what just happened is, right at the end of my driveway, I went to turn this knob right here. I went to turn this knob, and it turned hard enough that I started turning before I got to the end of my driveway. And as it was turning, I was holding the throttle, and it hit the driveway, and it did a barrel roll, and it ended up landing, which I was surprised because I didn't ruin it. I've had this for a long time, and I just haven't used it for like a year or so. Please tell me if that looks cool, if you guys can even see that. I'm stuck. There we go. So yeah. Oh, I wish you guys. Ready? Yeah. Ooh, that was sick. That looks really cool, actually. Ooh, sick trick. I wish you guys could see this right now. I'm like skidding the tires, and it looks and sounds amazing. I'm going to try to, so if you see their driveway right there, at the end or right there, I'm gonna try to make it turn so that just before it gets there, it's just gonna completely barrel roll. So I'm gonna see if it works. Darn it. Darn. Alright, here we go. Full throttle. No. So why can I get it to flip right there? If you guys can see that, why can I get it to flip but over here, but I can't over there? I don't know why. but it will be back in 3, 2, 1, and we're back. I got it flipped over. Darn it, I can't get it. Here we go. Ready? Oh, go figure. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna have that sitting right there. And I'm going to flip it in my yard now. In my driveway, I should say. I hope you guys can see that, because that looks really cool. Ready? This is the big one. I feel it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Nice. I have to drift a little earlier. Oh, man. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. There. Come on. Ready, drift. Ah! It won't work. I think I found a secret. Here, go like this. Ah. You gotta turn really hard. Put your finger on the gas and brake, basically. I know you can't though, but if you gotta. It's really hard. Yes, so I found a trick. I found a trick. So we'll be back in 3, 1. And I think my trick is where you come in at speed, and then just before you hit the end of the driveway, you twist it, you let off the gas, you put the gas on, well, you let off, you kind of go like this. You go down, bring it to the brake, and then back up. If this works, I will be so happy. Ready? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try to do exactly what I just said. Right before it gets to it. Woo! I did not drift enough. That's why it didn't work. Alright, I didn't drift. Hold on. Ready for this, guys? Here it goes. Ready? No! What is the trick? Oh, I know there is one. Where if you go like, oh, almost fell, I got it. If you go super fast, you can turn one way, make it turn this way, and then quickly turn it this way so that it goes over. And yeah, so I think that's how you can make it barrel roll. But I know how to make it drift. It's super easy. You just do whatever. But yeah, I think that's gonna be all for tonight. Oh, not tonight. Today. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you're new, subscribe. Like the video. We'll try to get to 100 likes. Probably not, but 10 likes. Good enough for me. Yeah. See you guys later. Bye.